It's date night. We're making a deliciously spicy chicken jalfrezi with homemade pilau rice. I absolutely love making curry. We make it all the time at home, and it's one of those things I really miss when we've been away somewhere. Thatcher's challenged me to come up with a recipe that paired well with their vintage cider, and what can I say? Curry, cider, match made in heaven. You've got to try it. So we're going to start by marinating the chicken with turmeric, coriander, cumin and garam masala. We'll mix it all together and then we'll place it in the fridge to marinate for about 10 minutes, doesn't take long. Now the chicken's marinating, we're going to start on the pilau rice. So I've got about a teaspoon of oil in the pan and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of butter. Now add in a finely chopped onion and let that cook in the pan for about 5 minutes until softened. Then we'll add in the spices. Stir that all together to coat the onions. Next we'll add in the long grain rice and some boiling water. Give it a stir, put the lid on and turn the heat right down. I've got some oil and butter in a pan on a medium to high heat and now I'm going to add that marinated chicken. Let the chicken cook until it's lightly browned, then add in a finely sliced onion. Now we're adding chillies and some minced ginger and garlic to the pan. We'll stir that together and cook for about another 2 minutes. Now we add in a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a teaspoon and a half of salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin and 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. And then we'll add in a sliced red pepper and a sliced green pepper, followed by a tin of chopped tomatoes and 200 ml of chicken stock. Add about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and stir it all together. We're going to turn down the heat and let that simmer for about 10 minutes until thickened. Meanwhile, Chris is going to set the table and pour us a Thatcher's. Really hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you next time.